and today I'm a firefighter. Have you ever pretended to be a firefighter? Are you brave? Are you strong? Do you help people in trouble? Do you like big trucks? Me too! I have all my gear ready in case of an emergency. I have my helmet, my jacket, and my big red fire engine. Do you hear that sound? That sound means someone needs our help. Come on, let's go. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Ee-oh, ee-oh, it's an emergency. Ee-oh, ee-oh, my cat's stuck in that tree. Red lights, blue lights, go up and down. Lights on the fire truck go around and around. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Honk, 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 move out of the way. Honk, 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 we've gotta save the day. There's a fire in the town, so we've gotta move fast. Fire truck is coming through, let that fire engine pass. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Ee-oh, ee-oh, it's an emergency. Ee-oh, ee-oh, my cat's stuck in that tree. Red lights, blue lights, go up and down. Lights on the fire truck go around and around. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Whew, that was quite a day. Firefighter Eep here. What's the emergency?
Eep, it's Mary. My cat is missing again, and Jack can't find his cat either.
Uh-oh. Did you check the trees? Did you hear that? Mary, hold on a second. Mary, looks like your cats wanted to ride in my fire engine. Don't worry, I'll bring them back. So, looks like you two like my fire engine as much as I do. Okay, fire cats. Want me to put on the lights? Okay, here we go.
Vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. Oh, hi. Let's pretend we're driving. But first, we have to buckle our safety belt. Here we go. Driving in my car, going very far, down the street in my car. Driving in my car, feeling like a star, bouncing down the street in my car. Driving in my car, turn the handlebar, speeding down the street in my car. Yeah, woohoo! Bouncing on a bumpy road, Don't go fast.
Hi, Mary. Is that your new scooter? I'm so excited you got your own. Are you ready to go to the park?
I don't know. Maybe we should just ride here.
But Jack's waiting to meet us.
Oh, right. We could walk.
Trust me, once you start scooting, you'll never want to stop.
But if we crash, I may never want to scoot again.
Mary, if you're worried about staying safe on your scooter, just remember, 1, always wear a helmet. 2, take it slow and practice stopping. And 3, always look all around you.
Trees, people, cars.
See, you're doing great. Come on, give it a try with me, please.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
We use our feet to push, and zoom along with a whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. We use our hands to steer, and listen close with our ears. Scootin' around, scootin' around. Look at all the fun we have found. Scootin' around. Scoot, we cross the street real slow. The coast is clear, let's go. We scoot on the gravel, shake. Look out for the people, break. Scootin' around. Scootin' around. Look at all the fun we have found. Scootin' around. Scoot, a stick in the sidewalk, jump. A hole in the pavement, bump. A bend in the road, curve. Watch out for that toad, swerve. Scootin' around. Scootin' around. Look at all the fun we have found. Scootin' around. Our legs are getting tired, let's rest. Let's start back up. Scooters are the best. Scootin' around. Scootin' around. Look at all the fun we have found. Scootin' around. Scootin' around. Scootin' around. Look at all the fun we have found. Scootin' around. Scootin' around.
Wow, that was fun. Thanks for meeting up with me.
Sure. And thanks for convincing me to go scooting, Eep.
I told you, nothing beats scooting around. Just remember my scooter safety tips.
Oh, helmet. Take it slow and practice stopping. And always look all around you.
That's right. Have fun scooting.
Bye. See you next time.
Giddy up, ponies! Giddy up!
Let's go faster.
Whoa, easy now.
But Mary's waiting for us.
That's right. We don't want to be late to Mary's party, but we also want to get there safe and sound. I have an idea. Let's sing one of my favorite traveling songs to pass the time. You mean the one about the
Mountains and the horses?
That's the one. Sing it with me.
She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. When she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. When she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. When she comes. She'll be driving 6 6 white horses when she comes.
Yee-haw!
She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes.
Yee-haw!
She'll be driving 6 white horses. She'll be driving 6 white horses. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes.
Yee-haw!
Oh, we'll all go out to meet her when she comes.
Hi, y'all!
Oh, we'll all go out to meet her when she comes.
Hi, y'all!
Oh, we'll all go out to meet her. Oh, we'll all go out to meet her. Oh, we'll all go out to meet her when she comes.
Hi, y'all!
Oh, we'll all have chicken and dumplings when she comes.
Yum, yum!
Oh, we'll all have chicken and dumplings when she comes.
Yum, yum!
Oh, we'll all have chicken and dumplings. Oh, we'll all have chicken and dumplings. Oh, we'll all have chicken and dumplings when she comes.
Yum, yum!
Oh, she'll have to sleep with Grandma when she comes. Oh, she'll have to sleep with Grandma when she comes. Oh, she'll have to sleep with Grandma. Oh, she'll have to sleep with Grandma. Oh, she'll have to sleep with Grandma when she comes. She'll be wearing wool pajamas when she comes.
Scratch, scratch!
She'll be wearing wool pajamas when she comes.
Scratch, scratch!
She'll be wearing wool pajamas. She'll be wearing wool pajamas. She'll be wearing wool pajamas when she comes.
Scratch, scratch!
She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes.
When she comes!
She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes.
When she comes!
She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes.
When she comes!
She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes.
When she comes!
Wow! I'm so glad you're here.
We're here, and we're ready to party!
Wow, you sure know how to make an entrance. I hope you're hungry. Chicken and dumplings.
Sounds delicious.
And after we eat, how about we all go for a ride?
Oh, hi! Are you waiting for the train too? One of my favorite parts about coming to the city is riding on the subway. Ooh, it sounds like it's coming now. But be sure to step away from the train until it comes to a complete stop. It's the A train. Come on.
Jack, what a nice surprise!
Mary, where are you headed?
To the library. What about you?
To the zoo.
Ooh, fun.
I can't wait to ride the zoo train. But my favorite train is the subway. Can you believe that we get to zoom through the tunnels under the street?
Plus, did you know that when more people ride subways, it keeps the air clean?
Yes, just hold on tight. Listen to that sound.
Boom chicka, boom chicka.
Zoom chicka, zoom chicka. Say, does the subway ever make you want to dance?
Boom chicka boom chicka boom boom boom. Boom chicka boom chicka zoom zoom zoom. Boom chicka boom chicka shake shake shake. Boom chicka quake quake quake. Boom chicka rumble and roll. Rumble and roll. The subway shake. Here we go. Under the sidewalk, boom boom boom. Down in the tunnel, zoom zoom zoom. Step in the subway, shake shake shake. Hold those handrails, quake quake quake. Ride down shake. Here we go. Rumble and roll, the subway shake. Go, go, go. Here comes the subway shake. Here we go.
Whoa!
Well, this is my stop.
Have fun at the library.
Okay. Wait, could we dance the subway shake again sometime?
Of course. Bye, Mary.
Bye, Jack.
Do you ever wish you could ride the subway all day long? But even if you can't, you can always do the subway shake. Rumble and roll, rumble and whoa! Be sure to hold on tight. Bye!
Whoa! Hi! I didn't expect to see you here in outer space. Hey! Maybe you can help me with my very important mission. Take a look at my map. Here's our sun, and here are all of the planets. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 planets. I'm on a mission to explore them all and learn more about each one. Are you ready? Come with me. There are 8 planets in our solar system. There are 8 planets. Can you name all of them? Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Jupiter and Saturn too. Don't forget Uranus and Neptune, they're part of the crew. Mercury is the smallest one, the closest planet to the sun. Shiny Venus is number 2, by far the hottest planet too. Earth is home to you and me, and living things like whales and trees. Mars is 4th in line, you know. It's dry and red with volcanoes. There are 8 planets in our solar system. There are 8 planets. Can you name all of them? Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Jupiter and Saturn too. Don't forget Uranus and Neptune, they're part of the crew. Jupiter has the largest mass, a planet made of layers of gas. Saturn is famous for many things, its moons, its size, its pretty rings. Uranus means the god of heaven, count its moons, all 27. Neptune's 8th and way out there, farthest from the sun we share. There are 8 planets in our solar system. There are 8 planets. Can you name all of them? Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Jupiter and Saturn too. Don't forget Uranus and Neptune, they're part of the crew. There are 8 planets in our solar system. There are 8 planets. Now we know all of them. Well, that's that. Thanks for exploring the planets with me. Wait! There might only be 8 planets, but it looks like there's more out there to explore. Are you ready for more adventure? How high can you count?
Great!
Let's go! All aboard! The freight train is leaving the station.
Wow!
Can you help us figure out what's coming down the track?
Yay!
Great! Hang on.
Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, what's that coming down the track?
A freight train! Freight train coming down the track. Chugga, chugga, chugga.
Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, what's that coming down the track?
A steam engine! Steam engine coming down the track. Chugga, chugga, chugga.
Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, what's that coming down the track?
A boxcar! Boxcar coming down the track. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Coming and going and rolling down the track. Coming and going and rolling down the track.
Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, what's that coming down the track?
A flat car! Flat car coming down the track. Chugga, chugga, chugga.
Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, what's that coming down the track?
A tank car! Tank car coming down the track. Chugga, chugga, chugga.
Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, what's that coming down the track?
A caboose car! Caboose car coming down the track. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Coming and going and rolling down the track. Coming and going and rolling down the track.
Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, what's that coming down the track?
A freight train! Freight train coming down the track. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Freight train coming down the track. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Freight train coming down the track. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Freight train coming down the track. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Freight train coming down the track. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Freight train coming down the track.
Whoa! Nice bus!
Oh, thanks.
May we go for a ride?
Sure, let's go.
Whoa!
Buckle your safety belts. Click.
Click!
Hang on, here we go.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The driver on the bus goes move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus goes move on back, all through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The baby on the bus goes wow, 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 wow. The baby on the bus goes wow, 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 all through the town. The mommy on the bus goes shh, 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 shh. The mommy on the bus goes